I thank you all for all the inputs that you have made. In the end, the criticisms, the inputs will in the end make us a lot better than what we are. And I don't know about the insults, what they will do, but it's okay.
UMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthokoze zonke izinhlangano eziphikisako yekulumoPikiswano elandela ikulumo yakhe yesitjhaba yangeveke pheleleko. Bewathokoza nembono ehlukahlukeneko neqhakathekileko bayivezileko. Kodwana uthi akazi uyiphendula yeenhlambe eziphume lapho ngombana kufuze kuqalwe izinto eziqhakathekileko njengombana atshilwe ekulumeni yakhe yesitjhaba. Uthi iintjhijilo zoko uyazibona kodwana eyona ndaba kule kufuze itshejwe kubogaboga komnotho begodu kufuze kuqinisekiswe ukuthi ilungiswa njani indaba yokuhlumisa umnotho wenarha le. Begodu uthi ukuqalela umnotho khulu akutjho ukuthi uzeqisa amehlo ezinye izidingo zabantu benarha le.
Our focus on the economy does not, however, diminish the importance of many other areas of government's work. It does not diminish the many other aspects of our people's lives.
Ramaphosa uthi nanyana ubujamo bezinto bungaqokama kangangani enarheni lokodwana kufuze kukhunjulwe lapha amaSewula Afrika abuya khona nokuthi afike njani la khona.
Despite the great progress that has been made in the last 28 years to address the legacy of dispossession and exploitation, the material divides between black and white, men and women, rural and urban still persists up till today.
Nanyana kunjalo uthi enye into engezelele umonakalo enarheni le ukwehleka ngokugwana iCovid-19 begodu kuzokuthatha isikhathi eside ukuthi ulungiswe umonakalo loyo. Uthi naphezulu kobudisi neentjhijilo inarha le ezifumene ngaphakathi kwazo kodwana kunengi urhulumende akwenzileko ukulwisana nengogwana esahleleko le begodu uthi ayikho nayinye inarha yaziko enarheni kazi ye-Afrika le esebenze ngamandla ukudluliselwa Afrika ukulwisana ne-coronavirus.
I know of no other country on our continent that has been able to achieve or to do as much as we have done in dealing with the COVID-19.
Endabeni yokuhlela kwamathuba wemisebenzi uRamaphosa uthi uyazi ukuthi usajamile umbuzo ukuthi ngubani ekufuza avulela abantu abayi-11 million abangasebenziko amathuba wemisebenzi. Nanyana kunjalo uthi iqiniso engezela abalekelwa ukuthi amabhizinisi wangeqadi ngiwo avula amathuba wemisebenzi amaningi.
The reality in our country, as in most other countries, this is now the stark reality, is that the private sector creates most of the jobs.
uRamaphosa uthinde nendaba yokukhuthaza ukuthuthukisa bomma benarha le wathi batsho ingathana iCovid-19 akhenge ifike ile ihlelo lokuthuthukisa bomma benarha le ihlelo libezabe liphumele ngaphandle enarheni kazi yeAfrika le. Uthi urhulumende uzoqinisekisa ukuthi ubekela ngeqadi i40% yemali ezokuthuthukisa amabhizinisi aphethwe bomma enarheni le.